Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide app in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your app screen and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. After that scroll down and here you can see hide apps on home and app screen. Then just tap here and that's it. Now from here you can hide any app as you want. Suppose if you want to hide Facebook, just find it, then select it, then tap on done and it's done. Now just go to home screen and then go to app screen. Now you cannot find Facebook on the home screen and app screen because Facebook is hidden from the home screen and app screen. Now if you have to unhide any app, just go to same settings again, then go to hide apps. Now from here to unhide any app, you have to just tap on this minus icon, then tap on done and it's done. Now just go to app screen and that's it. You can see Facebook has been removed from the hidden app list. And that is how you can hide app in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.